My head is cut off. Ugh. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Shein haul. Since being in quarantine, I decided to go shopping, maybe a little bit too much, but this time shopping on Shein, I've ordered a couple of things. If I keep looking this way, it's because my clothes are here. So this outfit that I'm actually wearing, I did order from Shein, so that'll be the first thing I'll be reviewing. So yeah, this shirt is super cute. I've like lately been into styles like this, so that's why I've ordered it. But in the front, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, it kind of scrunches up in the front and you can tie like a little bow or a knot, and then it ruffles over the shoulders, which I think is so pretty, and it also ruffles all around at the bottom like that, if you guys can see. Yeah, I ordered this a size small. The material is pretty thin, which I like because when it's really hot outside, it's super convenient. You don't feel like you're wearing too much. This necklace that I have on here, I also ordered from Shein. It's a 3-piece, it all comes together. It's gold and it's just so pretty. I just like the way it looks layered on. And then the jeans that I'm wearing on now, these jeans I ordered from Shein. They're a size small, they fit so good. I actually did my own rips in these jeans because they were a little too tight around my thigh area. So I decided to do some rips. If you guys want to see a video on how I do rips in my jeans, please let me know down in the comments. The only thing that I don't like about these jeans is that they're not stretchy material. They feel kind of stiff a little bit, but other than that, they fit so nice. So moving on to my next pair of jeans, they're also the same as the ones that I'm wearing, but they are a dark blue, same size. These are the blue jeans. I also did these rips here. They don't feel stretchy either. I'm guessing that that's how Shein makes their jeans. So if you're looking for like a more stretchy feel, I wouldn't buy it from Shein because they're not stretchy at all. But I like the way they fit and I really like the way they look. So yeah, these jeans are super comfortable and I just love the way they look. Okay, so those are the two jeans that I ordered. Then I decided to order some skirts because I don't really have that many skirts. So I ordered a jean skirt. It fits so nice. But this is what it looks like. It's a plain light washed blue jeans skirt. It is also not stretchy at all, but it fits me so good. This is the back and this is the front. I'm into rips, as you can tell. I ordered this in a size small and it fits me perfect. The next two skirts that I bought were this green, hold on, let me zipper it. So this is a green and blue style skirt. It's so gorgeous. I love the way it feels. The material is also not as stretchy as I would have liked it, but it's perfect and it's not very see-through. And it also has these little slits in the front, which I love. It just makes the outfit more appealing and super cute. And then I ordered the same one in a red color and it has like black and yellow mixed with it and white. This one's a little bit more see-through, but it just fits so nice. This is also in a size small and I really wish they had other colors than just green and red. Other than that, I really like the skirts and I really hope they come out with other colors, but I just really like the way it looks on me. And then I decided to order a long polka dot red flowy skirt. This is so cute. The material is so nice. It does not feel cheap at all. I love the way the buttons go down to the middle of the skirt and then it separates into a split, which is so nice. And I feel like you can dress this up or dress it down. At the waist, it is a little bit big on me. I ordered it a size small. Other than that, I really like the way this looks. I am definitely going to be wearing this out a lot over the summer. So moving on to shirts, I decided to order these tube top look-alike tanks. I really like how the straps are thin. They're so cute and the material is like stretchy, which I really like. So you can wear this with a bra or without a bra. It looks so nice on and I just really like how it feels on my body. It's so comfortable and this color is so pretty. So I decided to order it in white as well. Same thing, I really like how the straps are super thin. And this one, I'm not too sure if you can wear it without a bra. It does look a little see-through. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. So I would wear this one with a bra. But like I said, with the maroon one, it is stretchy and it's so comfortable on, and it just looks so nice. You can also dress this up or dress it down. So I decided to order a similar one. I ordered this a size small, and I really like the way it fits. It's super cute and flattering. The material is so nice, and it's like the silky material, but it's not too see-through, and I just feel like it doesn't feel too cheap either. On the sides, you can tie it, which I think is so flattering when you want to, like, you know, wear like a nice pair of jeans with it, or a nice skirt. The only problem that I have with the shirt is it's a little too big on me. So in the back, I'm going to sew it so that it doesn't fall off my shoulders. But other than that, it looks so good and it's so flattering, and I just love the color. I'm definitely going to go back on their website and check out if they have any more colors. And then, you know, I had to get myself a super basic crop top because I'm so into these, and I just like the buttons in the front. It kind of just gives it a little more style. So yeah, I decided to get a super basic tee, and again, you can dress this up or dress it down. The material is pretty thin, which might like wear out soon. That's the only problem, but other than that, it's super comfortable and super flattering. And of course, you know, I had to get the super basic mesh top. This one has like little sparkles. I'm not sure if you can see it, which I think is so cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing this on top of my bathing suits and taking some Instagram pics because I think it's so cute. It's super stretchy. When I ordered this, I did think that it was a little short, like a crop top, but it isn't. It's just a regular shirt, which is fine because I know that I can wear this with like a nice bralette and wear this on top with some nice jeans, like maybe these light washed ones. I think will look super cute. So yeah. And I ordered this in a size small. I'm super excited to take some pics in these, and yeah, it's just so flattering. I love it. And then I don't really wear these type of patterns, like snake patterns, but I saw this on the website and I thought it was so cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing this out on like a date night or something like that. I think it's so flattering. The material is so comfortable and stretchy, and I just love the way the snake pattern looks on me. It feels more like a bodysuit type of shirt. It would have been really cool if it was a bodysuit, but I just thought it was so cute, and I was extremely scared to order it, but I went out of my comfort zone and ordered it, and I have no regrets. This shirt is so flattering and so cute. Okay, now moving on to oversized t-shirts. Lately, I've been super into oversized t-shirts. Usually I get mine from the thrift shop, but I saw some cute ones on the Shein website, and I decided to order a few. I also ordered some accessories to go with it. So this is the first one that I ordered. It's just a black oversized t-shirt. If you know me, you know that I'm so into plants and cactuses and things like that. So I thought this was so cute. It goes perfect with my personality. The material of this shirt is so good. It's super stretchy and super doable. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and I like the way it looks on me, especially when I add some cute combat boots and some cute accessories. So since we're talking about oversized t-shirts, I'm just going to show you guys a few of the accessories that I bought. The first accessory that I bought that I'm so excited to wear is this belt. Oh my god. It's this belt, and it has like a bunch of oh my god. It has like a bunch of dangling like chains, which I thought was so cute. So when you put it on, it's just like so, like, it gives me Coachella vibes. I just like that, and it adds like cute little like accessories to the plain oversized t-shirt. You know, like imagine me wearing this with like some combat boots. I'm like so excited. Which I'm also very excited about. I ordered this chain. So right now it does look like a necklace, but it's not. It goes around your waist, and I ordered it to put around my oversized t-shirts. So basically you just put it on like that, and that's what it would look like on an oversized t-shirt, and then it hangs down. I thought that was so cute. I decided to get myself a little bit of girly stuff because I don't really wear too many like girly flowery looking shirts, but I love sunflowers, and I thought this was so pretty. This is a sunflower like shirt dress, which will look so cute with like that gold one that I showed you guys. The shirt is a little bit see-through, so I might have to wear like a tank and like white shorts underneath, but other than that, it's so cute. The shirt is stretchy, and I think it would look so cute with like those lace-up sandals. Super excited to wear this with those sandals. I think it would look super cute. And yeah, it just feels good. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. The next shirt I decided to get for fun. I usually wear it to go to sleep. It's a red and white striped shirt dress. It's so comfortable. This shirt is so soft, and I just love the way it feels. So far the shirts from Shein are pretty doable. The material feels so nice and thick. This one is not see-through. I don't know if I would wear this outside. Maybe I will with some like jean shorts and like Converse or something like that. But I just think it was so cute, and I love that it said 90s babies because I am a 90s baby. But yeah, and this one is super long, which I like, so it's more like a dress. And then lastly, I haven't worn this one out, but I thought it was so cool. I just love the colors on the shirt. This one is also really big on me. I really wish I would have ordered a size down, like an extra small. I just didn't realize like how large these shirts are, but I would still wear it. Super cute. The material is see-through, so unfortunately I would have to wear something underneath it, but I'm just so loving these oversized t-shirts. I think it is so cute. And yeah, this material is not as stretchy, but it does feel thick, which I like. So yeah, and now moving on to some of the jewelry that I ordered. So I ordered this necklace from Shein. I was afraid that these necklaces were going to be a little too cheap, but they've actually been doing really well. This one did come with a heart, but when I took it off the first time, like it slipped and the heart fell out. So unfortunately I don't have the heart anymore, but this is one of the necklaces that I bought. I think it's so cute with these little circles, and this part fits me like a choker, and then this hangs down, which I think is so flattering. Butterfly necklace, which I think is so cute. This is my all-time favorite necklace that I bought from Shein, and I like that it has like the style of the necklace has like these pieces here, and they kind of connect. I think that looks so cute on. I've definitely taken pictures of this already, so if you guys want to see how it looks on me, go check out my Instagram, stars one. I'm also into like stars, butterflies, hearts, which is so cute for the summertime. And I just love how these stars are so tiny and just so cute, and it's just it's a very simple necklace, and I just love the way it looks on. So yeah, if you're looking for like cheap necklaces that don't look too cheap and that are cute, I would definitely go and buy them off of Shein. So I am super happy with everything that I bought from Shein. I hope you guys liked this haul. If you guys want to see more videos, please let me know down in the comments what you would like to see. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!